Alright y'all, Rob Anderson Clean Power Wash. So we're laying stuff out and you can see we're trying to figure out where everything's going, put some tape, kind of figure out what we want to do. So on this new build we're going to have the fuel cell. It's going to be right here. I know we do have some exhaust coming off that, so we're probably going to put an insulating barrier on that, but with the fuel tanks, and we're actually having some feet welded onto them. Fuel, simplest part, staying right down here, coming right down here. Be great. We got our battery in there. We'll have to figure out all that. This pressure washer has the, so sorry, we'll look at it from this side. Right here, this is basically our mounting block, so we're going to be good to go there. We'll have that one. Instead of having it come out over here, which we could do, is another option. What we may end up doing is actually have it run a 90 off of there and then come right through here. So essentially, this would be here, or we'll have actually a fitting go through that, if it'll fit. We'll find out. Obviously, we got our generator for the booster pump. And then over here, we've got the electric hose reels. We're going to be doing double stacks right now. This is talking about doing a single, or doing double here, and just a single here, and then the booster right here. Proportioner, you can see our lovely, we don't have the white line for it, but so we got our water, soap, bleach, gray on here. So we'd have our bypass lines coming there. We won't actually have a T, but we'll have two hoses running all the way along here, coming up. We're actually going to run these all the way into this corner and then come up. So we'll just modify it a little bit there. But by laying all this out, we can kind of then be able to better see what's going to go on here. Water flow. So I'm going to show you on this other side. So what we're doing here, we want to make this rig so that the guys are able to stay off the truck as much as possible. Not actually have to get up onto here. We want them to be able to get back in the shop, we'll have a fill hose for the bleach. It's going to come down here with a ball valve, so we'll just hook to that with the cam lock, fill her up. Same thing for this for the water refill. So we'll have cam lock here. We'll have these 90s going up into the top of the tank, a 90 going over, a 90 going under, and then another 90 inside, so that's going to shoot the water to the side. So that way, if we had to fill during a project, we're hitting that water off one of the sides, so that it's allowing it to get rid of the air that's in the water. For the outlet, so it's going to come out here, and we'll have this will still be able to be cam locked, so we can actually just straight dump it. But 2-inch pipe, 90, 2-inch pipe. We got a T over there. So we've got our T. This will send water that way, front of the dump. Bucket filling, eye wash station, and also for being able to prime the booster. The way this one's primed up, or plumbed up, this is one from Manatee. The ones that from Power Wash Store all have the on-off toggles on them, but so this one is actually controlled right there. It's either on or off. Just kill with it that way. With our plumbing coming this way, come over here, we'll have 2-inch pipe all the way to here, and then it's going to tee off, and then again, it's not going to have that mesh in there. That's just a fitting we had in the shop. We'll bring water up here and come in. Same thing with this. We'll have water go straight there. So what we'll have off of this fitting right here is going to be a ball valve this way, and then a filter, ball valve, then filter. I was watching a video the other night where the guy had filter and then ball valve. You want to do, so if your flow of water is coming this way, you do your ball valve first so that you can shut your flow of water off, open up your filter, clean your filter. We can turn the water on and clean that out. Otherwise, if you've got filter first and then ball valve, what you're going to run into is that when you want to flush the ball valve, you're going to be losing a ton of water. You're going to be trying to hold back all the flow from back there, or having to turn it off back at the tank. So we'll make a couple tweaks, but this is the basic layout for this truck. Our A-frame ladder is going to go in the middle. We'll also put our surface cleaner in there. That's basically what we're looking at. So